In this video, I'm going to show repertorization using hrep. If you touch the icon, you will not have any effect, but you need to touch the green text repertorization. Now, as of now, no rubrics have been selected, but if I still hit repertorize, it will say at least select two. What happens if you select just one? So let's see. I select one rubric, any random rubric, and I repertorize. It says select at least two. So that's what I need to do. Let me just select quickly some rubrics. I don't even know what I'm selecting, and I repertorize, and here it gives some output. At the top you see the rubrics that were taken for the repertorization. On the left side you see all the drugs, and on the right side you see the less common ones. In this repertorization it was primarily the less common ones that came up. So let's add some more rubrics. I can use the cross at the end of the box to clear everything, and I say general left side, and I search, and lying on left side you see the FRQ at the end. I'll explain this. Now whenever you are taking rubrics, you need to add them by clicking the add rubrics button at the bottom. Now I have all these rubrics. I can select, unselect by just touching. I can unselect some of the rubrics and repertorize again, and now you have a bigger set. At the top you see all the rubrics that were taken. Left side all drugs, right side small drugs. You can look at the materia medica by just touching the drug. So I am touching chelidonium, and you can see what rubrics caused it to come out in the repertorization. And I can go to Boric or Kent, and this is Kent's repertory reversed, sorted in keynote order, relevance. So these are the features of the hrep repertorization. Now here in searching, if you type FRQ, it will show you certain specific rubrics. This will be explained better in the repertory search video, so please do look at that. So this is with regard to repertorization. Just remember that you can simply unselect rubrics, repertorize, go back and unselect others, repertorize, and you can see, you can also look at the materia medica like this. Any spelling errors here, this is a keyword, this is a special word, but suppose you were to put something like left and night, but you put it like this, NGT or whatever, you will get nothing. So every word you type into the text box must be correctly typed, and then only you can find the rubrics.